so much to my FMC family, Filipino Medical Clinic family. Thank you so much for preparing this food. You really surprised me and amazed me. And of course, they put Chef Glenn. Thank you so much. Thank you, O Lord God, for all the blessings. Kaya nga ng kasabihan, pag mabuti ka sa iyong kapwa, babalik ito ng Lord ng siksik, liglig at nagkukumapaw na biyaya. Again, thank you so much to my thank you so much to my FMC family, Filipino Medical Clinic here in Hawali, Kuwait. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish. Lapit. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday. Birthday pa. Oh, ko yung ano, yung... Nasa si ate ano? Happy birthday, Glenn. I wish you happiness and good health. I hope God will bless you more.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you po, Doktora Sapanta. Siya po ang pediatric doctor namin. Thank you, Doc.
Bye-bye. Hello! Good afternoon po! Naku, birthday pala ni Glenn! Ano ba yan? Ano ba dapat sabihin ni Glenn? Si Glenn ay, ilang taon na siya dito? Isang taon na yata. But anyway, it's your special day and I wish you all the best. And may God bless you always. And sana ay kung ano man ang wini-wish mo at dinedesire mo sa iyo. No? Alam ko naman, you've got everything, you're happy. And I hope you're happy also here in FMC. So may God bless you always and your family and stay healthy and stay safe. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Dr. G. Our GP specialist po. Ayan, dito po yan sa FMC. Thank you, Doc. God bless. Thank you rin po sa regalo pala. Na-surprise po ako. Thank you so much. Love you all.
Sabi mo, alam mo ba, sabi ko,
Okay, Doc.
Hi, Glenn! Bakit pinatawag ka nilang baby, ha? Happy birthday! Wish you many more birthdays to come. Stay safe always, ha? Happy birthday!
Thank you, Doki. Siya po ang aming OB-GYN specialist, si Dr. Cristina R. Cura. Thank you, Doc. God bless. Thank you po uli sa regalo.
Happy birthday, Sir Glenn! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you so much. Ayan, si Nurse Nad, saka si Nurse Meng, OB-GYN nurse, saka pediatric nurse. Thank you so much.
Hi, Sir Glenn. Happy birthday. Wish you a good health. Always stay safe and happy birthday. God bless. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday, Sir Glenn. Wish you happy birthday and good health. We love
Happy birthday, Sir Glenn! God bless you! At sana makahanap ka na ng special someone dahil ikaw ay 41 years old ka. Yun lang. Salamat sa pag-gaway sa amin dito sa FMC. Kahit na ikaw ang nag-iisang lalaki dito sa FMC. Yun lang. Oh my God, Sir Glenn!
Happy birthday, Glenn! I miss you. I miss FMC. Masarap na pagkain. Maraming salamat. Kahit paminsan-minsan lang ako bisita dito. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you po, Dr. Alisa. Ayan po, another GP po natin. At saka sa PCR po siya ngayon. Dito sa Jarala German Specialized Clinic. PCR for COVID test po. Thank you, Doc. God bless.
Hanapin niyo ako.
Hanapin niyo po si Dr. Alisa de los Santos sa PCR Department. Thank you, Doki.
Happy birthday, Sir Glenn! Thank you sa mga food mo parate. And continue having a good heart. And we love you here in FMC.